I was the oldest of 9 children, so as a result of that, I grew up fighting battles for my brothers and sisters, and we grew up in some pretty tough neighborhoods. I saw juveniles and women being mistreated, and I thought that it would be a wonderful thing to be able to fight for people that were less fortunate and that couldn't fight for themselves.
We see them at the very worst time of their lives. They've had a death, they've had a traumatic injury, they've maybe lost a child or a husband. It just can destroy the whole family, and you're trying to keep that together and help them put it back together.
It gives you the ability to stand up for people that are maybe being picked on by a corporation, somebody that maybe can't speak for themselves or fight for themselves. Allows you to feel good about what you're doing. We've obtained the record results in almost every field of law.
And other attorneys can't say we've had the largest verdict in this field. We can. We've done these things. We've tried these cases. We've gotten the big results. We've gotten the big verdicts. That sets us apart.
I think that says something to insurance companies. It says something to corporations that this is a firm to be reckoned with.
What we have here is the resources, both in terms of personnel, experience, and also the financial resources to take on large representation.
That's one of the benefits you receive when you hire this firm to represent you. You're not hiring one lawyer, you're hiring 13, and you're hiring 30 staff members. And we are willing to take on the bullet.
We'll go to trial. A lot of lawyers won't go to trial. We will. And they know when they go to trial against us that we have a history of getting great results. And they know that they're going to have to face that.
Because of the resources we have and the talent and the numbers, we can do cases that other firms can't do. We've got a number of graduates from Notre Dame, and these people have come here to our firm because they've recognized that we can get results.
Many have achieved recognitions from organizations such as Super Lawyers, Best Lawyers in America, Best Young Lawyers in America, and that recognition is gratifying because that recognition generally comes from your peers.
All of these folks who have been top in their field, tops in their educational pursuits, to be able to come here and put it all together, that's one of the great benefits we have over other firms, is that we don't just have 1 or 2 attorneys that are talking about how should we handle this issue on a case. We meet regularly, and that allows us to produce a better result for the clients.
The first thing that you come to understand about Jim and Linda is that the entire value of the firm is based on a Christian set of values.
They love the community that they live and work in, and they show that by all the support that they give.
I think they just want to make people have a better life that maybe someone else may not have had, or nobody reached out to them, and it's important for them to give back because they've been successful.
We want people here who care about these people and will fight tooth and nail to give them the justice that they deserve.
The thing that I enjoy still is helping people and fighting fights that other people sometimes weren't able to fight themselves. It's not the size of the verdict that's so important, it's the change that we hope to bring about.
I feel like we have just helped so many people and done so much good that people's lives are better because we've had a part in them.